Hi friends, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to unbox few things which I have bought for my upcoming trips. So friends, these are the few things which I am talking about. These four things I have bought. So one by one I am going to tell you about what are the features of the product and what is the price of the product. Friends, first I am going to tell about this USB 4 USB hexagonal socket that is very much useful when you are going to stay in the hotels and where only one or two sockets are there and you have to charge so many stuffs. So I am going to unbox this. So friends, I am going to unbox this. So like this it is looking. So there are 4 sockets, 4 USB ports, so you can easily charge your all the stuffs like mobile, DSLR cameras. Now I am going to use it so you can see how it works. So this is my phone. So see, there is a one indicator where it is showing the power is coming. So I have connected the USB, one side of the USB port to the phone, and another side I'm going to put inside any of the board in this socket. So I'm going to put here. So now you will check. The phone is charging. So it is showing it is charging. The price of this USB hexagonal socket is from 550 to 600, and from where you can buy. So from where you can buy this item I will give in the description so that you can easily buy it. Now the second item is JBL mini speaker. Okay, that is also very useful when you are going anywhere. You can put in the pocket and listen your favorite music. Now I am going to do the unboxing of this. So this comes in multiple colors, that is black, red, blue, silver, gold and rose gold. So this comes like this wireless nano JBL speaker. So this looks like. One more thing, it is coming with the USB charger so that you can charge it. So this is the USB charger. And it will work for around 4 hours when it is fully charged. This is the power button from where you can on it. So I'm going to show you how it works. So just press this one. So now it get on. Now you have to pair with your phone. It will show Harman. So now I'm going to connect with the Harman. It will say for the pairing, then press OK. Now it is connected. Now you can play any of the song and check whether it is working or not. So for example, I'm playing one song. So you see it is working very good. Now you can get it online. The price of this mini or nano JBL is around 600. I will give the description. I will give in the description from where you can buy this. Now the third thing I am going to show you, that is Alpinestars Leg Guard. So I got this at only 2,500. Okay, but it is very useful safety gear and very nice product. So from inside it look like this. Okay, so you can easily fold your leg when you are riding the bike. So it is really easy to use, and there is the foam inside this. So this makes it very light also. You can also remove it by quick disconnecting, and you can wash this also. So there are button systems from where you can remove this. These are the hook you can put and lock like this. So it is very tough. So if you want to buy this, I will give the description details in the description from where I can bought this. So the final thing which I am going to show you, which is my tank bag. This is really very useful thing. This is of Raida company, and very rough and tough bag. And this comes with the magnet, so you can put on the tank. It will get attached with your tank easily. So there is no use of a strap. So it is very easily to use. There are so many pockets are given where you can keep your stuffs, like this, where you can put your mobile. This is the stickers they are giving, so you can usually put your mobile here in between the straps. It is also touch sensible. So you can use it from upside. Here you can keep your few things, whatever you want to. Your changes. So inside I'm going to show you. Sorry, I'm opening through my one hand, so it is little difficult for me. So from inside it look like this. This is the rain cover, which also come with the name of Raida. So in the rainy season you can put it there, safety for your stuffs. These are the straps if you want to tie it with your tank. So inside it is like this. You can use this belt also for locking, so that there are so many pockets. There are also side pockets. Here also you can keep something same like other side also. There is the pocket you can keep. Now one more good thing is that you can extend the size of this. So now the height of this tank is increases more, so you can see you can put a lot of stuffs. Price of this is around 3100. You can get it on Amazon, Flipkart. You can remove your tank bag without removing this magnet thing. So just removing and just opening this chain. You can easily detach your tank bag. One more thing, there is also some pocket, and you can use it like your backpack. So just put this thing, lock over here, and so it works like backpack. So you can carry it very easily. So friends, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Hope you will enjoy this video.